Hello Math 95 students, my name is Ann Carey and I'll be your instructor this term. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of our course. Right now I'm on the course homepage. At the top, you can see this navigation bar that can take you back to the course homepage if you navigate somewhere else, directly link you to content, take you to my virtual office. There's also a direct link to your web work homework, the discussions, the assignment Dropbox, grades, and our class list. Down below, you can see updates, which will show you when there's under a discussion post, feedback from your instructor, things like that. And then there's announcements, which I'll post occasionally. Right now I have a welcome announcement and some further info about web work. Over to the right, my contact info is always there, so you know where to reach me. And then down below I have some extra things, resources that are online, things like that. If you'd like to send me an email, it's helpful if you use the email feature within D2L Brightspace. On our course homepage, up at this top bar, which should always be there regardless of where you're at in the course, you'll see message alerts, which will tell you when you have an email, but also it'll allow you to email me directly. When you click on this, it'll start a message, and in the subject line, it's going to put information about our course. This is helpful for me in terms of managing my email. All of your email will come to my regular Gmail account, but when you use it through D2L Brightspace, it automatically puts this header here, and then I know I'm getting a message about my online class. Navigating now to content, I'll take you through some key things that you want to make sure you find there. On the left side, we've got a table of contents, which should show everything, an introduction to online learning, which is great, particularly if this is your first online class, our course information, information about proctored exams, and then each of the content modules. So in course information, you'll find my introduction, you'll find our syllabus and our course calendar, some other information and grading rubrics. This is information that you'll want to reference throughout the course. Let's go to the syllabus quickly, and I'm going to open that in a new window. I'll also open our course calendar in a new window. I'm not going to read the syllabus to you right now. Please read it thoroughly though. I do want to draw your attention to, first, my contact information. My instructional approach, again, I'm not going to read that to you. Our instructional materials. So a required textbook is here. It's available for free online and also as a downloadable PDF. I have a separate video that goes through how to use each of those effectively and which one you might want to choose to use. If you go to our course calendar, you'll notice that it's by weekly modules. I open them on Wednesdays. There are a number of reasons that went into this. The first is that it allows us the first couple days of the course to just be getting to know the course and desire to learn. The second is that it makes it so that the assignments are due on days that just work better in terms of a standard course flow and particularly my own availability. So if we look at the first module, it's going to open on Wednesday. It's open now since this is the first week, but the next modules will always open officially on Wednesday without much of a lead on them. And then it goes through, everything will close the following Tuesday. So on Sunday, this first Sunday, your web work assignment and your first discussion will be due. You should get feedback on those, you can ask any questions, and then the following Tuesday, your worksheet will be due. And I'll go through where to find each of those momentarily. So if we come back to content, let's jump into module 1 and look at what's there. So module 0 is just a get to know the course module, but let's jump into module 1. So I've got introduction and outcomes. You should read through these. A lecture, so there's a video lecture and then notes that you take. There's textbook reading. There's a link to your online homework and then the discussion. And these are the things that will be due the first Sunday of the course. Your worksheet will be a worksheet that you print, handwrite your answers on, and then upload it. So this assignments tab is a Dropbox. So let me take you there real quick. And you'll see instructions here. There's a downloadable Module 1 worksheet. You can scan it with a standard scanner. There's also Adobe Scan, which will allow you to take any type of phone or tablet and just take a picture of it. That turns it into a nice, clean PDF. Once you've finished it, you can upload here. And you're welcome to upload. I don't have a file limit there, but I do want one assignment, so not many files. But if you have to make changes before the full deadline is in, feel free to upload another one. I'll always grade the most recent assignment that you've submitted. I'll return back to the main content menu now. And you'll note that every module, the things that you need to do for Module 1, they're all right here. All the activities you need to do, all the assignments you need to complete. You can also, though, if you want to, so I have this Module 1 worksheet here that's going to be submitted to the assignment folder. You can also navigate straight there. So if I head into the assignment folder, I'll see all of the assignments that are due. And this one, Module 1 worksheet, is the one that's open right now. So that's an active link. The ones that aren't open, they won't look like active links, but once they open, then you'll be able to click on them. That's all that I'll do for now. I'll do a couple more course tour videos as needed throughout the rest of the term.